Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today's recipe is the home-style chicken curry that's made with potatoes, and to go with that an extremely flavorful onion rice. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make chicken curry and onion rice. Take a big pot to make the chicken curry and add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Whole garam masala, so some bay leaves, cumin seeds, piece of mace, star flower, nutmeg, some cloves, peppercorns, some cardamom and a piece of cinnamon. Once the oil is hot, drop in all the garam masala. Fry them well for a few seconds until all the garam masala start to release a nice aroma. Here I am using one big onion and it's chopped into medium pieces. Fry it well. Add some salt to speed up the process of frying the onions as it will absorb all the moisture. In 4 to 5 minutes on a medium-high flame, the onions will turn little golden. At this point, add about 4 teaspoons of ginger, garlic and coriander paste. Mix the ginger, garlic and coriander paste with the onions really well and fry it until all the raw flavors kind of go away and you'll start to get a nice aroma from the pot. Now it's fried well, we'll start adding some spices. I'm going to use 3 teaspoons of mutton masala and that's store-bought, 4 to 5 big teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of haldi or turmeric. Mix everything really well. Once the spices are well fried with onions, ginger, garlic and coriander paste, we'll start adding the chicken. Here I am using 1 kg of whole chicken that's chopped into medium to large pieces. Take your time and mix the chicken pieces really well with all the masala. Cover and cook it on a medium-low flame for about 8 to 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, let's open and check. Chicken has released water. Now we'll add 2 medium potatoes and I've chopped into big pieces and some salt. Give everything a really good mix for a few seconds. Since it's a curry, we are now going to add some water, so I'm using about 2 cups of water and then just give it a quick mix. You can add additional salt, but always check the seasoning before adding any salt. Turn the flame to medium and now we are going to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. While the chicken cooks, here I'm going to roast some shallots and some pieces of dry coconut over direct heat using my chapati roaster. Adjust the flame as needed while you roast the onions and dry coconuts. Roast them until they kind of change color and release a nice aroma. So almost pretty much blackish color of the coconut. So now it's done. Let's take them out. Notice that color. And I will roast the onions a little longer, so just turn them over and now they look good. Switch off the flame and take them out. Keep them on the side to cool down. Here I'm going to scrape off those burnt side a little bit. We're looking for the smoky flavor and not the burnt one. In a grinder, add the roasted onions and coconut and with some water make it into a fine paste like this. The chicken has been simmering for about 20 minutes or so. Let's open and check. Notice the amazing red color that our curry has got. Now let's add the freshly made onions and coconut paste. Now I'm just going to wash my grinder attachment and add about half a cup of water. But this is optional. If you want your curry to be a little more thicker, you can avoid this extra water. Simmer the chicken curry for about 3 to 5 minutes on a medium-high flame. When it's done, switch off the flame and cover it with a lid and let it rest for 15 minutes. Let's start making the onion rice, and for that add 1 big tablespoon of coconut oil and to that the whole garam masala, so some peppercorns, cardamom and cloves. Now add some curry leaves and be very careful as you do that. Now we'll add 1 big onion and I have chopped it into long slices like these. The flame is on the medium high and now we're going to just fry the onions for a few minutes. Add some salt. The onions have turned translucent. Now we'll add 2 cups of basmati rice and I had washed them and soaked them in water for about 20 minutes or so. The white onions give an amazing taste to this rice. Now we'll add water to the rice, so I'm using about 4 cups of water. Give everything a really good mix and you can add additional salt if you want it. Turn the flame to medium and cover and cook it on a medium flame for about 10 to 12 minutes. Turned off the flame after 10 minutes and just after 2 to 3 minutes I've just opened it and let's check the rice. Notice how nice fluffy it has become, and it's not exactly very fluffy, it's kind of separating as well as that sticky flavor, so that's exactly how I was looking for this rice to be. Let's check the chicken curry and looks amazing. Add the coriander leaves. Enjoy this home style chicken curry with potatoes and the onion rice. Both are an excellent combination and it's a quick fix for all your chicken cravings. If you have enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.